Welcome back. My name is Angie. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Hi friends. Hi shopping buddies. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a pocketbook. I was contacted by a company to do a review on their pocketbook. I already opened the top box. There's another box inside. So let's take this box out. Okay. And okay. Open the box the wrong way. Oh, that's okay. So the name of the company is Teddy Blake, New York. Side of the box. So when you get your pocketbook, it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags, made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So these pocketbooks are made in Italy by Italian craftsmen. I chose the Stampatto size 9 in the tan color. Handbags are manufactured in Italy, 100% premium leather. They are made in the same factory as other luxury handbags. And they have a new pocketbook every month. This pocketbook comes in, I think, about 14 different colors. I'll leave a link up here. It also comes in a crock. Teddy Blake comes out with a new collection every month. Subscribe to Teddy Blake. So on the inside is stuff. Take out the papers. The crossbody strap is inside. And there is a pocket in the back. There's a pocket here. Probably can hold some credit cards. But I'm a crossbody girl. So I'm gonna put on the straps. Okay. I'm a crossbody girl. So you just attach them to the side. Okay, and it's adjustable. The straps are adjustable, so that's nice. Okay, I would have to adjust it. It's a little bit short there for me. So I'm gonna adjust it because I like my bag. Oh, and it's easy to come out. Easy to be adjusted. Okay. So I'm 5'7". But I like my bags hanging on my hip. Perfect. So this is the perfect length for me now as I adjust it. Oh, I love it. Now I'll put my scarf on. I know I might have said it before, but these come in 3 sizes. This is the size 9. They have 11 and 14. And it comes in 15 color options. And this is very light. This is luxury on a budget. So for all my shopping buddies, I have a discount, $30 off, not including sales item. TB Angie Hart 30. I'll leave the link below. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Stay blessed.